You know what's wild? Two people can grow up on the same street, go to the same school, get the same kind of job, make the same kind of money, and 20 years later, one of them is okay, and one of them is really struggling. Same life, completely different results. I used to think that was about luck, or talent, or who your parents were. But it's not. It's about something much simpler. The difference between an asset and a liability. And once you truly understand it, you start looking at every purchase differently. Think about everything you learned in school. Math, history, essays you never wrote again. But did anyone ever explain how money actually works? Did anyone explain why some people get ahead and most people stay stuck? No. So we figured it out on our own. And most of us figured it out wrong. Meet Marcus. He works hard. He gets his first real paycheck. And he does what feels right. He buys a nice car, upgrades his phone, moves into a bigger apartment. It feels like success. But every one of those things takes money out of his life. Car payment every month, insurance every month, rent increasing every year. He's earning money, but it's flowing right back out. That's a liability. Something you own that costs you money month after month. Now imagine the opposite. Something that pays you while you're at work, while you're sleeping. A rental property, investments that grow, a business that earns without you being there every second. That's an asset, something that puts money in your pocket. Simple, yet most people spend their lives buying liabilities and wondering why they never move forward. Marcus is 28 now. From the outside, he looks successful. Nice place, new car, latest everything. But one unexpected bill would shake everything. He's not reckless. He's just doing what everyone else is doing. That's the trap. We buy things that look wealthy instead of things that make us wealthy. Now, meet Diana. Same age, similar job, similar paycheck. But she asks one question before every big purchase. Will this put money in my pocket or take it out? Because of that question, her life looks less flashy. Modest apartment, reliable used car, no constant upgrades. But in the background, something is growing. Index funds, a small rental property, savings that actually build. Month by month, she's building a machine that works for her. Marcus is working to pay for things that make other people rich. His car payment builds the bank's assets. His rent builds his landlord's assets. He's running hard but staying in place. At 32, his car breaks down. The repair bill is $2,000. He opens his banking app. He doesn't have it. He's been earning money for 10 years. Where did it go? He sits down with Diana. 2 columns. On his side, almost everything is flowing out. On hers, small but growing streams flowing in. Same starting point, completely different direction. Marcus doesn't change everything overnight. He makes one decision. He sells the expensive car, buys a reliable used one, and invests the difference, his first asset. At first, it's small, then it grows, and for the first time, money starts working for him. The truth. You don't need to be rich to start. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to understand one thing. Wealthy people buy assets first, then they buy the things they want. Most people do it the other way around. Before your next big purchase, ask yourself one question. Will this put money in my pocket or take it out? That's the whole game, and now you understand it. If this changed the way you think, share it with someone who needs to hear it. And if you want to know exactly how to build your first asset from zero, that's what the next video is about. See you there.